Alright, well, right now we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I mean, it expires in about, I guess, 20 minutes. We haven't seen any severe storms here, but it is super windy. Leaves blowing all over the place. Yeah, leaves just blowing everywhere. It does look pretty dark to the west, but yeah, haven't seen any wall clouds or anything. Ooh, I just heard a branch go down. Sounded like it was in the woods over there. Good grief. Look at all those leaves. They're blowing in circles. My word. Oh, I just heard another tree go down. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Oh, somebody's package is getting blown away. It might be empty, I don't know, but man. Hopefully there was nothing in there. Man. Jeez. Oh, a deer just ran across the road down the street. I don't know if I caught it on video, but yeah, that was interesting. That is super dark. There's my neighbor's dog. She's on a leash. My word. How well you guys can see those leaves flying in the air. Man. Whew. It's just a leaf tornado between my Suburban and my Ford. Didn't catch it on video in time, but that was pretty cool. Man, this wind is just insane. Oh, I got stuff hitting my truck. Jeez, man. Whatever that was that just hit my truck, hopefully that didn't scratch it. There were some little twigs that were kind of coming down from the trees. I really shouldn't be outside right now, but just kind of wanted to see this wind. It's 4:16 right now, so the severe thunderstorm warning is supposed to expire right about now. They said we were supposed to get a bad severe thunderstorm, and it never, we never had one come through. So, I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty crazy. Whoop. About a few miles west of here, but we're not really getting anything other than strong wind and a little bit of rain too. So, yeah. I don't know. Oh. Uh-oh. That can't be good. Oh crap, he's stopping at one of the houses over there. Oh boy. Wait, did he stop? No, I don't think he did. I don't know. There's about to be an ambulance passing through here. Well, that's not an ambulance, that's a fire truck. My bad. What the hell? That one truck's coming back through here. What the fuck? Oh, sorry about my language. What the heck is going on here? I don't know if there's a down power line nearby or what, but like, I heard some trees go down, but like, I don't know if our power's out. What is he doing? Now he's backing up. That one blue pickup truck that passed through here earlier, he's a volunteer emergency worker. I know that. He's coming back. What on earth? Okay, that's a little weird. Huh. Well, whatever happened, they're on the other side of town now. Breedsville isn't that big, so who knows? Well, whatever happened, I hope and pray nobody got hurt. Got a leaf pile that's kind of sticking to the side of the fence, too. Man. Alright, well, I don't think we have a bad storm coming, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video. Like I said, I hope and pray nobody got hurt from whatever just happened.